Hi everyone, so I am trying to go over that problem again. I think in class we did it a couple of times, a problem like that where it looks scary, but I know we broke it down and we did step by step, and I will go over it again so that we feel more confident tackling these types of problems where we have two different parts of the problem, and then we have to multiply them together, exponents going on, letters, numbers, a lot of things. So we'll break it up one more time. Hopefully that will make it a little easier. So the first thing is that you need to do step by step and keep the two parts till we are ready to multiply them together. So I will try to make that exponent positive first, and I think that is what I will focus on right now. So I'll flip the inside. By flipping the inside, the exponent that is on the parentheses turns positive. That exponent right here is positive already. So I will just copy it down. Now maybe the next thing would be to distribute the outside exponents to the inside exponents. So each base has an exponent. Even when there's nothing, there's a 1 there. 1, 1, 1. So the outside exponent multiplies the inside exponents. Exponents multiply together. So 3 has a power of 1, and 1 times 2 is 2. So that base 3 gets the exponent 2. So pretty much all the bases that are inside get the outside exponents. So instead of the parentheses, I'll put a multiplication sign, because now there's nothing outside the parentheses, so we don't have to keep them. That 2 gets the exponent 3. So the exponent 3 multiplies the exponent 1 that is on the 2. 1 times 3 is 3. C power 3 also over 9 power 3. D to the power of, and we have small exponent inside the parentheses and the one outside the parentheses. Again, multiply the exponents. The outside multiplies with the inside. 2 times 3 is 6. And we'll keep going. So now 3 squared is 9 over c squared times 8, because 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8, c cubed. And then a lot of people would multiply this 9 cubed and get a big number, 729. But that's not what I think I will do, because if you notice, if we keep that 9 to the third power, you will notice that we have now similar bases. So I choose not to multiply 9 3 times because I have a similar base 9. So if I can keep similar bases, it will make my life easier so that I don't have to multiply, get big numbers, and then have to divide at the end, and I might divide incorrectly, or the numbers are too large and I might get confused. So if you notice when you're working that there is a similar base, the same base, 9 and 9, then leave it as is and combine the bases. So I know that. I'll add the equal signs because we'll keep going in a vertical manner. So I know that that 9 over here has an exponent of 1, and I know that when there is the same base, one in the numerator and one in the denominator, that I can subtract the exponents of the same base. So that's what I'll do. 1 minus 3, negative 2. So what I did is I combined those by subtraction. And I have c to the second on the bottom times 8 c to the third, and 9 to the third and 9 to the first. Again, we combine those, so we don't have those anymore. Instead of these two, I combined them, made them 9 to the negative 2. So I just have d to the 6. The same thing also is here with the c's. The c's are the same base, so I just subtract. Again, we subtract top exponent minus bottom exponent. That's how I got negative 2. 1 minus 3. top exponent minus bottom exponent for the c's. 3 minus 2 is 1. So I have 9 to the negative 2, and then I have c to the 1 because I combined these. And we always write our answer in the numerator, then if it's negative we flip it later. So when I combine the 9's, I put my answer in the top numerator. When I combine the c's, I put my answer on the top numerator. Then if I need to flip later, that I can do. The 8 stays the same. And I'll combine the over sign since there's no c anymore. That's a 1. 1 times d is d. So when stuff cancel, they turn to 1. And now I will flip the 9. 8c to the first power. I don't need to write the first power. 9 squared over d to the 6. And the last thing, which I will write over here, hopefully it fits, 8c, and 9 squared is 9 times 9, 81, d to the 6. So the answer is 8c over 81, d to the 6. So again, if we look backwards, it might seem confusing because it's a lot of steps, but it's really not confusing. It's super easy. If you need to rewind and watch the steps again, you can do that. All right, hopefully that helps. Thanks.